welcome to the Here We Go channel. Today we are at Theydon Bois station, which is on the central line into London, and we're going to have a wander around Theydon Bois. Here we go. Let's have a look around and see what's here. Theydon Bois is about 40 minutes from central London on the central line. It's quite a good place to live because you're not far from London, but it's a nice area to live in, nice houses. Let's have a little look to see what's round the corner here. This is a Balti house, an Indian restaurant called the Theydon Bois Balti house. I think it's got quite a good reputation. There's a couple of pubs in Theydon Bois. One is called the Bull, which is just over here. And the Bull looks like it's been here a long time. There's a little shopping arcade down here at High Street. It's quite small. But, a few Christmas decorations. Today is Thursday, the last Thursday in December 2021. Will soon be New Year's Eve. We have pharmacy and also a hairdresser and also a vegetable shop with a butcher, I think, at the back. And it's quite a good place to live because you're not far from the train line here. Some quite nice houses. So it's just after 4 o'clock today. It's getting dark. (15 centigrade). Over here is an Italian restaurant. Not sure how to pronounce it. Il Bacchio. And also a fish and chip shop. It's pretty windy today. We also have a Turkish restaurant, which looks nice, and a bridal shop and beauty shop. So it's quite a good place to live if you work in London. You can easily get into the centre from here, and you've got the benefit of being sort of in the countryside as well, which is nice. No, I'm not. No.
I was going to say that. What are you doing?
Just doing a walking video.
Oh.
So it will be on YouTube. So as we come round the corner here, we're coming to the Theydon Bois Green, which is a very nice large green that's been protected for many years. The village of Theydon Bois. Over here we have another restaurant. This one is called the Indian Ocean, which has also got some very good reviews, I've noticed. And we're coming now to an avenue of trees that is famous because it was planted when Victoria, Queen Victoria, came to power on the throne back in the 1830s. And they've also now started to plant some more trees just to the left of the original trees to fill them in, because over time these trees will start to decline, and some of them have already, and they've had to be cut down one or two, but these are oak trees. And over here we have the Queen Victoria pub. So this is the village green, as you can see here. So I'm just going to do a 360 now of Theydon Bois, the green. Hope you've enjoyed this short walk today on the Here We Go channel. And look forward to seeing you all again soon on the Here We Go channel. Bye for now.